What's up?
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
Hi, Karen. Hi, Shaurya.
Hi, Meg. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
एकदम मस्त
Finally, I have
झकास.
Mehak and Shaurya on my show. Let me cheers once again to both of you, yaar. Mehak and Shaurya, 5 years of celebrations. This is great, great, great
Cheers,
thing.
man. Cheers,
Cheers.
cheers, 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 cheers.
How's it feeling?
And
How's the
so,
feeling, yeah, Karan? I got your message. I got it a little late. तो मैंने बाद में देखा.
yeah, there was some work going on, and I didn't want it. I don't wanted that tuck, 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 tuck piece of background music. So, yeah.
But how's it going?
And
How's the feeling?
feels good, yeah.
Hi,
5 years, 5 years, yeah. And thank you, firstly, for to you to bringing out this convo, of me and Samiksha. Thank you to all the fan clubs who requested, I suppose,
Yeah.
for this chat.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Obviously, it's all
Really
thanks to the
appreciate.
fans.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
thanks
Hmm.
to
really,
the
the
fans.
gesture is appreciated. Yeah, yeah. So, अब आते हैं मुद्दे पे. 5 years, huh?
5 साल.
5 साल.
5 साल पता ही नहीं पड़ा यार 5 साल.
Oh.
Since we are obviously being nostalgic about the show, let me actually go ahead and ask you the first question since both of you are here now. First meeting. सबसे पहली बार जब आप दोनों की मुलाकात हुई, when you first met each other, the
वो तो
first impressions.
सौरभ सर के प्रोफाइल पे है ही हमारी फर्स्ट मीट. वो कटी हुई.
नहीं. अभी I met
That was
Samiksha Chandni Chowk के set पे. I still remember,
yeah,
like
he
Chandni
posted
Chowk.
ना
Yeah.
the audition, like the
Yeah.
random,
नहीं.
the most random audition he took and finalized you.
Yeah. कुछ भी समझ
That
मतलब वैसा कर दिया. But yeah, Chandni Chowk, that the authentic shooting took place.
हाँ.
वहाँ मिले थे हम लोग. Yeah, first
we
time.
तो
were
कैसा
we
लगा
shot
एक
for
दूसरे को
a
मिलके?
month.
हाँ.
हाँ. Sorry.
No, I said what was the first appearance impression like? And yeah, Samiksha was saying something. Karan shot for a month. You said.
No. He came after a month. We were
अच्छा.
already shooting for a month in Chandni Chowk, and I think at the end of our shoot, जब खत्म ही होने वाला था, I think he came along and मतलब ऐसे
But
करा.
Shaurya was finalized, yeah. Manit was doing that part.
हाँ. He
Manit
also
Jora.
came.
So the
Yeah.
shooting and all, the episodes and all, they made almost 1-2 episodes with him. वो मेरा तो
No,
ऐसा बाद में हुआ है.
really?
Yeah.
They did?
Uh-huh.
I had no idea.
Yeah.
Actually, you did not get to shoot with him, Samiksha.
No,
You
I
had
think
not.
the first episode we shot separately because उसके scenes उसके घर पे थे, मेरे scenes पूरे चांदनी चौक में, so we didn't meet for good 2 episodes in the show also.
Almost 1 month, yeah. 1 month and a half. I was shooting in Sadarpur in the farms, where the shooting took place, Shaurya's house. And they were shooting in Chandni Chowk.
Okay. So the first shot that you guys did together, do you remember that? The first one?
There was a photo shoot, yeah. For the photo shoot
Oh
before
yeah, in
that
that
promo,
one room
yeah.
in Chandni Chowk, that
Yeah.
the
That
poster, the blue and the pink one,
the blue pink
standing
one,
as yeah,
absolutely.
that was the first photo
That,
shoot.
So
that
did
was
you
the
break
first
the
one,
ice
yeah.
there? Did you get chatty there? Yeah, abhi time laga. Did it
I've
take?
always been a chatty person.
Absolutely.
He was a little shy.
Ajay, Karan took
He
his
was
time.
not open.
Sorry?
Karan took his time to like open up and everything.
Yeah. I think, yeah.
Sort
I
of,
know.
in that way, थोड़ा सा I'm just the introvert, yeah. People know me, थोड़ा time लेता हूँ मैं. एकदम से नहीं. But she, on the other hand, was totally opposite.
हाँ.
So yeah, वो अच्छा था, that zone जो था, she made things comfortable जो भी है. कि मुझे,
I think
मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था मुझे. She was performing with such great actors. जब we look set पे थे, Kiran ma'am was there and all, And first, मेरे जो almost a week, so Saurabh sir told me that since you're a non-actor, पता नहीं है. So do one thing, come to Chandni Chowk almost for 3 to 4 days around से आके bed and take how things work. I used to come sit in the monitor and I was to see like ये क्या हो
sit
रहा
on
है
the
बाबा.
stairs, which I remember because he was sitting on the stairs with a coffee mug and just observing. And I was shooting the dining table scene that time.
At the corner, I used to observe ये लोग क्या है क्या नहीं. Such mugging up बड़ा lines and all ये वो. And I used to think यार मुझसे हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा. अभी भी time में भाग जा. So yeah, मतलब crazy time.
I know you guys have spoken to me earlier about it, but before you guys were offered Zindagi Ki Mehak, your own acting experiences, did you always know that you would land up here or probably do something in this field? कभी पता था ऐसा या were you sure or you were not?
I mean,
Which thing first? Yeah.
I was always interested in acting, but I was slightly inclined towards set designing and designing also in college. But I
you
never had
mentioned.
done any course and all. So I was in college when I landed, with this role. Uske pehle I also got a call for Behad when I was in the last semester. But obviously because I was in college and it didn't work out. So tab se thoda sa I started getting into this thing. Okay, let me try my hand in acting. So yeah, that way. It was very simple.
Okay. And Karan?
See, acting wasn't my cup of tea kabhi bhi zindagi mein yaar. Nahi tha. I was thrown out, actually really thrown out of one show, Balaji ka tha, Colors ka, long time back. 2009-10, that Godzilla time, So tabhi I debuted in one of the shows, but nahi acting ho pa raha tha and all. So I was kicked out of that show. So nahi ho pata tha acting yaar. मुझसे nahi process nahi ho pata tha. Then initially Delhi mein tha yaar. I was settled in Delhi, अच्छा खासा. This thing just popped up, as I told you before also. And things got happened, and here I am.
And aren't we all glad?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
I am.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, since we're talking about memories and Zindagi Ki Mehak 5 years, the first shot you mentioned, the first romantic sequence that you guys shot ended up laughing. Do you remember that?
Ended up laughing.
I remember. I think
Laughing.
for me, I think it was a little funny. It was a little awkward because I've never done something like that. So it was a little intense also because he was shirtless and I was,
Okay. That master tha super cook, huh?
I
Super
ran
was
and
a
I'm in
romantic
that dark room. I land up in his room accidentally, and then there's the moment, and that was a weird
moment. See the show mein, thanks to Mr. Pushpendra ji, he was one of the directors. So it's his
Remember that
contribution, almost all the promo ka scene. Nahi, matlab, I mean, all the romantic, hardcore romance. Still people talk about it. Yeah, still.
I receive so many VMs. I'm sure you receive it like on a daily basis.
यार मैं 2 shows अभी किए, स्टार और उसका कलर्स का कैमियो किया था. वहां पे मुझे रोमांस सीन होता था. वहां पे वो बोलते थे कि वो वैसा सीन, वो वैसा होना चाहिए. मतलब कैसा होना चाहिए बाबा? वो एक
सर को ला दो, डायरेक्टर सर को बुलाओ.
पुष्पेंद्र जी, I met पुष्पेंद्र जी थोड़े दिन पहले, मतलब थोड़े महीना पहले.
How's he?
Superb. Doing good. Must have. All bad.
अच्छा Karan, before you join, Samiksha was mentioning that बहुत लड़ते थे आप लोग set पे. So the first time you guys had like a difference on or during a shot that you guys fought. Do you remember that?
We were not vocal.
It wasn't a fighting, yaar. It was more of that ego, ego clashes used to take place. Sort of thing. Yeah.
So, but होता ये था कि कोई romantic scene हो. So I was able to perform, but it reflected on his face so badly. Kate ki mom once told him क्या कर रही है ये. You remember that? Ten.
In that case, Jana, she was actually quite a professional. यार. मेरे से नहीं होता था. मुझे कुछ ऐसा है ना. You should reflect. And,
if we're not talking, it's gonna reflect on his face very badly.
Oh. So how could you manage to perform then if he was all sulky? You could still do it?
Laugh. Mr. Smash.
But again,
like,
that
exactly like what he did right now.
We sort of became very comfortable, the scenes and all. So पता था, मतलब पता है कैसे वो करना है and all, वो क्या है क्या नहीं. But she used to manage, yeah. I'll give her the credit.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So I can see that this camaraderie, I mean, whatever, झगड़ा हो या प्यार मोहब्बत हो या दोस्ती हो, जैसा भी हो, I mean, everything as good actors you used to present on screen, but I'm sure of so many years of also knowing and working with each other, you have obviously grown to know each other really well and become good friends. So if I were to ask you this one habit of Karan's and Samiksha's, Karan, you tell me about Samiksha, Samiksha, you tell me about Karan, that is like, you know, that's really awesome. That's really, I mean, I'm not talking about just professional, but something that you truly, truly admire. What would be that one quality?
Quality, huh? एक मिनट.
सोचना पड़ेगा.
I remember that.
Apart from the professional thing you're talking about, as in person, huh?
She did mention like twice, Karan.
हाँ, मैं सोच रहा हूँ ना, by the time that subconscious mind में चल रहा है. She's a good-hearted person, yeah. Good-hearted soul, I would say.
Okay.
Must have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Must है.
What up, you know, must है.
हाँ. Okay, Samiksha,
So,
your turn.
sorry, yeah.
हाँ, tell me, Karan, go on.
Hey, मतलब sort of, as I mentioned that थोड़ा सा I take time and all, थोड़ा सा in a room, if you throw me and all, I'll be like one quiet person in the corner and observing. वो नहीं है, you know, she goes, you know, mixes around here, you know, easily, you know, light up that moment, whereas I don't, somehow, nobody here.
She has the spark.
Spark. Yeah.
Okay, Samiksha, your turn.
I think that he used to constantly nag me for not eating junk because he is a fitness freak, and that I loved about him. I mean, because ये बहुत मतलब इसका खाना पीना everything was to the point.
Very strict.
To the point.
To the point.
Except for his coffee intake, which will be like through the roof.
He used to do this all the time. So
Focus.
Very sorted about his diet. Oh, nice. Very nice.
So
Okay.
that's what I thought.
All right. So let me turn it around. इसका opposite पूछती हूँ मैं. One annoying habit, one really annoying habit that you can't stand of each other. What is that?
I thought you were giving the answer.
Maybe it is your turn. I'll still have to think. There are a lot.
Like, in the previous question, I answered first, na?
No, but
it should be equal, huh?
oh God. बहुत सारी है. I'm not able to. Nothing the way he constantly used to make fun of me for my weight.
For your weight?
और क्या? मतलब ऐसे like you have to lose weight.
See,
not like that weight.
This ऐसा not weight, but again her eating habits.
Yeah, because of the camera, and obviously we're in the field, and he actually.
नहीं. I remember. मैं बताता हूँ. It used to always be my turn. Whenever my turn of acting shot used to be there.
Oh yeah.
The camera होता था. So अरे मुझे मालूम है. I know that I'm bloody doing the character. I know वो शौर्य कैसे बोलेगा, ये करेगा, वो करेगा. I know it है यार. But when I'm just in the scene before that action thing, I'm just she's like जब कट होता था, say my dialogues. She used to say my dialogues कि अगर ऐसे कर लेते तो ऐसा भी होता है, you know. It used to, you know, other person gets annoyed. यार क्या है यार, मेरा है बात. When in your turn, I don't see these things यार. मैं ये पहनूंगी, मैं ऐसे पहन लेती.
You used to be in the character off screen as well. Remember that time when with the whole पूरा hero वाला feel you were coming downstairs and then you slipped, and it was so funny. ऐसे slip करके भी फिर एकदम शौर्य वाली feel में एकदम. And I saw that. Okay, I was the witness. It was very funny. He used to be in the character all the time, Agra. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. That is why I used to make fun of him. सबके सामने used to be
Karan space में चले गए थे.
That just one time happened, yaar. I was coming down the stairs, yaar. Okay, nobody noticed it. Nobody noticed. Everybody was like, entry, Shaurya is coming. Yeah, tack. Anything.
What was it?
I don't know. I was looking, but that एकदम से focus.
और फिर then he's like, it's love, and
I
he's like,
handled. It was just a bit of it was just a bit of a managed thing of a second. That's it. And she
It was so
noticed it
fun.
and she made fun.
And she noticed, yeah.
But nobody noticed.
she's always, he's right now also in that zone, kabhi, yes, and all of that, शौर्य खन्ना वाला zone. So that, I know. इतना time spend किया ना कि मतलब पता होता है कि where there's Karan and where he starts, you know, getting into that zone. I'm sorry, Karan, it starts you, but that time it was like that. Huh?
तो आप दोनों एक दूसरे को इतना जानते हो, since you guys know each other so well, I will give you to both of you who are here. It's a little game called Two Truths and a Lie. Karan and Samiksha will give me 3 instances, and Samiksha, you have to guess. You and I will guess Karan's, and then Samiksha का Karan और मैं guess करेंगे. 2 truths and a lie. Give me 3 things that we are supposed to guess. Which 2 things are true and which one is a lie? Just give us 3 random statements. We'll tell you which one's the truth and which one's lie.
नहीं, listen.
हाँ.
Listen. It was so fast and मुझे को कुछ भी नहीं आया बिल्कुल भी. I have to give you.
मैं भी सोच रही हूँ कि अभी Karan के बारे में think about it.
जैसे for
Truth lie.
example, नहीं. So for example,
दो चीजें सही बोलनी है जो असली में थी, and one a lie.
You have to just give me 3 statements. Suppose
So
Samiksha
हमें
gives
guess
3
करके.
statements that my first film was this, I graduated from this year, and I am a scuba diver. I'm supposed to guess whether one of them is a lie and which one is a lie, and बाकी 2 statements कौन से वाले सही हैं, true हैं. Okay? 2 truths and a lie. Karan's still thinking.
Very.
Okay, I'll give you another
Difficult.
example. I'll give you another
please.
example. Okay. For example, I say
Okay.
that I am Griha. I'm a journalist and I have a show called Coffee Time with Griha. All right. Or for example, I say I'm Karan and I'm a journalist and my show is called Coffee Time with Griha. Guess the truth and the lie. So obviously you will say my name is Karan is
the first one is a lie and the
is a lie.
later
Baki
two
do
are
is
true.
We'll have to
Yeah.
guess which
Acha,
one is
it's,
it.
2 truths and a lie. Okay.
It's
Got it?
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
So we'll
The
start
3
with Samiksha. हाँ, चलो ठीक है, I'm ready.
कितना समझाया है for you to start.
अरे मैं
Okay.
वही पे whatever you tell, जो भी होगा, whatever you throw questions and all, I'll just modify and put it along. Yeah.
I
Yeah,
am
like, chalo, we'll start with Samiksha. Come on.
चलो.
Okay, Grah, ready?
हाँ,
चलो.
I am from Indore. You're so lame. You're so lame. I do not like kachori,
हाँ.
and I love coffee. I think I did a little opposite. हाँ, but like, चलो.
Okay.
I love coffee. I love black coffee.
हाँ.
I hate kachori, and I'm gonna change the third one to what? I hate Karan.
False.
No.
So she
What
loves
is-
kachori. I know that she likes kachori because she's from Indore. So bhai, she's grown up eating that. So that is true. I'm sure she. And what did she
Coffee.
say? She said she hates
She
Karan. So
loves-
obviously that's a lie. That's a lie.
Karan.
And the third one
You
was coffee, na?
She loves
Coffee.
black coffee. That's true.
It's a false, yeah.
She doesn't.
I
like black.
love black coffee now. I didn't used to before.
No,
So the
but-
third one is right. I hate Karan.
But
Obviously, I do not like
Okay.
coffee still. So yeah, that was lie.
Okay.
It was so
Oh.
lame. You me पहले question I would have prepared लग रहा. Better वाले.
हाँ यार, absolutely.
Blank हो
मैं
जाता है
करूंगी
इनका.
मैं अच्छे वाले दूंगी आप लोगों को. अच्छा Karan, your turn. 3 statements about you. We are guessing.
3 statements about me. अच्छा ठीक है, चलो चालू करते हैं कि I am a pure vegetarian.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a lie.
I should have said.
I hate doing workouts and I hate going to the gyms.
Huh. Okay.
And third is I love my profession.
Which profession you are in at the moment? You're interested in business also, like last time. That is no, you're not completely into acting, Karan. So you got to give something else.
I am into acting totally, yaar. Seriously, yaar.
Are you? You are?
Yeah, yeah.
अभी तो किया
yeah.
ये शो, अभी तो किया फिर से.
अभी
So
गया था
he
करके आया
he's
छोटा सा.
he's not a vegetarian.
हाँ,
He's a
that's a
Katkar
lie.
Punjabi. Yeah.
हाँ, that's a
Then
lie.
what is the second one?
But he said he hates workout. But that is
No,
also
no,
a lie.
he owned a gym. He owned a gym. He had a gym. He once
Okay,
dragged me
that's
to the gym to work out. That's a
So
lie.
how can be so? So Karan, it's 2 lies and 1 truth then.
2 lies and 1 truth. Yeah, yeah.
अब
उल्टा
ये
कर
भी
दिया
समझ
Karan.
में आया यार मतलब
चलेगा,
क्या
चलेगा.
पहले स्क्रिप्ट
अच्छा मैं देती हूँ अच्छा ठीक है. Karan, I'll give you Samiksha's and
Okay.
Samiksha, I'll give you
हाँ,
Karan's. Okay?
you do
I'll-
that.
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ, I'll give
That-
you. मेरे पास better ones हैं. Let give the
Yeah.
job to me. Okay. All right. Samiksha, it's for you.
Okay.
There are 3 statements about Karan. Karan, the first one is Karan wanted to be a chef. Okay. Second one is he hates it when asked to dance. And the third one is he is possessive about his beard. 2 truths. Which ones are the true ones? Which one's a lie?
You wanted to be a chef.
Is
Second
truth
one is-
or
Yeah,
second
yeah,
one is he hates when being asked to dance.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
a
think
clue, yeah.
he hates. He hates. He doesn't hate. He doesn't
Hey,
can't dance, but he would want to dance.
Okay.
The third is
The third one is he's possessive about his beard.
no, he's possessive about his hair, not his beard. I mean, I have literally poked a lot of times. Like baal ko haath mat
हाथ मत
And I
लगाना.
used to do that. I loved that. I loved doing that.
Okay,
He used to
Samiksha got it right.
he used to take an hour to get ready, and I used to get ready in 30 minutes. By the way, that was a time difference.
Whoa.
By
See,
the way, he used to take 40 minutes to do his hair. I'm not lying.
ये
It's
तो मैंने
out
सुना
there,
है
Karan,
Karan,
after
ये तो
5
मैंने
years ago.
नहीं,
all out.
अरे, in that 40 minutes, I used to do my lines, yaar. I used to make drink coffee. I used to do my lines. I used to, yeah.
ना पूरे टाइम वो ड्रायर की मुझे आवाज आती थी वहां पे साइड वाला ही मेरा रूम था
अच्छा ठीक है Karan, your turn about Samiksha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Samiksha is a professional swimmer and she knows how to sketch. And the second one is she was once nicknamed Sunny Deol. And the third one is her height is 5 feet 6 inches.
Okay, the first one, huh? She is a professional swimmer. She's a swimmer, but not a professional
Swimmer
thing.
and,
Yeah.
and knows how to sketch. The second one
Yeah,
is
best swimmer in school.
The first is truth. Yeah, truth. Yeah. She
the
knows how
first
to
one is
sketch and
truth?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The second one is she was nicknamed Sunny Deol.
True.
That's also true. Okay.
Yeah.
Height-
True. Yeah.
अरे
Her height is 5 feet 6 inches.
Not 5, 6. Yeah, more than that. 5, 7, 7.5. Yeah.
So that's what. Oh, okay, got it right. Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you know about this Sunny Deol bit, but?
Saurus used to call me Sunny Deol. He knows I used to walk like a guy. It took me a while.
Okay. Since we are on Coffee Time with Riha, the last segment before I just take a few audience questions is obviously my sip and spill segment. इसमें थोड़ा सा twist करूंगी मैं. The one who's most likely to do this will take a sip. Okay? You guys can decide कौन सबसे ज़्यादा ये करेगा, and that person takes a sip. Okay? The one who's most likely to takes a sip. Got it, Karan?
Yeah, got it.
All right, the first one. The first one. The one who's most likely to have a laughing fit during an intense shot takes a sip. Huh? Abhi, you said that he was not serious.
But I used to laugh like anything. My director from the second show left the set because I couldn't stop laughing. I'm really sorry. I posted out of nowhere. So I know that I do that.
Okay, the next one. The one who's most likely to go without talking to the other person for a silly reason, if it has happened, takes a sip.
Thank God, Karan. You gotta do that.
क्या silly reason क्या था Karan?
कुछ भी यार नहीं मतलब anything बहुत चीजें थी. I mean, since हमारे बीच में कुछ भी होता था, but as I told you, बहुत ego, we both of us, you know, had
Last day
differences.
पे क्या ego था? The last day,
पे, हाँ.
remember?
Last day also you didn't talk to her. Oh.
हाँ. अब वो awkward situation में तो मैंने डाल दिया. No, it was not like that. I think I was in a different zone because it was the last day of Mehak. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know about him, but personally, या बोल के अब कर ले जो भी हाँ but ठीक है.
Yeah. I don't know, but yeah.
Like,
कुछ
why
तो
you
था
avoid
यार,
the
कुछ
question?
तो था. I mean, something must have cropped there. Seriously, तभी
Okay.
थोड़ा सा.
Okay, happens. What's in the past is in the past. Okay. Take a sip. The one
Yeah.
who has been typecast royally by producers or casting directors or has had a really nasty audition experience takes a sip. If you've ever been typecast or you've been said something during an audition or
Yeah,
during a
yeah.
shot. Karan.
Typecast as in same, yeah, same. That कोई भी जैसे for example after the first show,
Huh.
used to get a lot of calls for shows and all. Again, the same thing used to be there. The criteria basically that गुस्सा आना चाहिए, handsome होना चाहिए, business look होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, ये होना, ये the same the thing, you know, that thing. और नहीं होता था, you know, and जो भी calls आते थे again and again and again, I used to get calls and all. It was almost the same.
I think
Almost the same.
that's the difference for girls and boys because they always expect for a guy to be rich and arrogant because that's the type.
Yeah.
You know, that
Yeah.
stereotypes have been set since a long time. For girls, luckily for me, I got to choose the role for the
Yeah.
second show. Like Noor and Shahid, I was given a choice and I chose Noor because it had a lot of shades and it was villainish, it was cute, a lot of things were there. So I think there is a difference. I've seen, obviously, male leads doesn't get a lot of, freedom to act or get out of their space. वो तो है.
Okay. All right.
Nee,
All right.
but hardly any shows are there, yeah. Or, you know, where it focuses on the male as you know the thing. It always
that is
revolves
also-
around, and it has been, you know, it has been from since
It's-
the TV
yeah.
the TV
Yeah.
started. It is a female
Exactly.
oriented medium, yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody can deny the
Female
fact.
oriented.
Yeah, hardly
Because it
any
was
shows
started
come
for
up,
the
yeah.
housewives also at that time when they used to
For the
find
housewives,
time.
actually.
Yeah. So they used to
But
relate to the
Karan, in our
characters more.
show, even though the name was Mehak, I think with us after a month or two, it became about you as well, equally. So just don't.
Oh, from where this question cropped up, yeah. So,
अच्छा चलो
अरे बाबा, there were so many people on the set, यार. वो जो भी ना, हवा में बातें we used to करते रहे. Still remember that incident, यार.
Which one?
which incident?
ये वाला, that thing, the same thing. That show is the Mehak, but
I do not. I was
Mehak
actually
is
saying
the-
it. In fact, I did
Mehak
not.
is the titular character. That's why she.
Oh
gets
yeah,
the
I used to make fun of him. कि नाम तो मेरे शो पे है ना, मतलब मेरे ऊपर है ना, मेरे नाम पे शो है तो you used to get so angry, so irritated. एक दो बार असली में गुस्सा हो गया था. मैं मजे ली थी. It was funny.
तो मतलब it's easier to tick Karan off. मतलब वो जल्दी गुस्सा होता है.
I think with me.
but one has to know,
I-
यार, मतलब क्या है, क्या नहीं. But one has to know, yeah.
Okay. All right. The next one. The one who has had a public showdown during a shoot or a short sequence takes a sip.
Like,
मतलब a spat in front of the set or in front of people.
No, never happened with me. Yeah.
Never? Okay, good. Cool enough. Cool people. All right. The one who's more likely to make a fool of himself or herself in trying to, this is a hypothetical situation, but you can just guess, in
Yeah,
trying
yeah.
to impress a girl or a boy. Make a fool of oneself. Takes a sip.
I haven't done. I ain't done it.
I really like that guy. I would do.
You can just go and, okay. That's nice. Yeah, that's
I
nice.
am that.
Nice. Okay. The one who's more likely to get the other person to dance takes a sip. That's an
More
obvious
likely any person dance, yeah.
I have made you dance so many times.
So many
That's
times, yeah. So many. Almost so many
We used to
times.
like it.
Every
We used to like it. We used to
every
like
time,
prepare.
yeah.
We never had a choreographer on sets, remember? Like, usually we are, been allotted with one, but Mehak में ऐसा था नहीं, so we used to prepare खुद से, so we used to do that a lot.
Yeah. And before the scene, we used to get this ऐसा है, and yeah, but later on, sort of सही हो गया था. मतलब I used to enjoy it. थोड़ा later, very later, but initially नहीं होता था यार. It used to give me a pressure. Oh my God, there's a dance sequence today. So yeah, rest of the scenes, they used to get hampered. Yeah. Still
okay.
But, yeah.
The last one. The one who is a better singer out of the two of you takes a sip.
I am not. He is not, I think. Karan, please sing now.
What if?
Better than each other. मतलब ये नहीं
Please
कि
can you
better than
sing?
each other.
हाँ. So
He
who's
is.
the better
Great
singer?
singer.
He is.
He is. गा के बताओ. दोनों एक लाइन गाओ फिर I will.
मुझे
इसने
मालूम
गाया था ना, कौन सा गाया था? एक सेकंड, गिटार लेके.
कभी? Really?
The first song, तेरी नजरें मेरी पलकों पे बिछा दूं आंखें तेरी, वो वाला the Atif गाना.
I never sang that song, यार. वो पीछे चल रहा था. But yeah.
What was
So
the
funny.
गाना? I can't even get
Sing
the
it
song.
now.
अरे यार, it was that वो एक scene था where
Tell me the song. गा के बताओ. नहीं गा के
गा
बताओ.
के बताओ ना करण.
One line, yeah,
Live है, fans demand it.
What is this, यार?
Come on, यार. देखो इतने सारे लोग हैं. There's
I don't remember the song, यार. It was an Atif Aslam the song with the.
Okay,
Anwar भैया वगैरह sweat.
Which is your favorite song? Favorite song तो पता ही होगा.
हाँ, Samiksha, what's my favorite song?
Me?
Somebody saying कुछ इस तरह.
Karan?
Zainab.
कुछ इस तरह. Who said?
करण का फेवरेट सॉन्ग मुझे नहीं पता, मतलब आई थिंक फिर भी तुमको चाहूंगा used to be played a lot of times at that time.
चलो करण, go for
No,
it.
not
Go
this,
for it.
Karan.
अरे
Which
बाबा,
one?
it used to play that.
अच्छा, you sing a song जिसमें आपको पता है कि you sing well, you sound well, you sing that song.
यही वाला गा दे.
कौन सा है? That was it. What is it? अमिताभ बच्चन गाना यार. It's a very nice song. दिलबर मेरे. Sing दिलबर मेरे. You know that song, right?
Yeah, I know that song. दिलबर मेरे कब तक मुझे. Okay. My dog got
This
scared
is
there.
not. You're not singing, Karan. You have to sing.
Let him come now. That's fine. I've already seen them.
The
There's
dogs.
Pop.
Coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
Coffee. Zara.
Now that you've found your audience, please complete the song.
दिलबर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे, मैं आग लगा दूंगा.
आग दिल में लगा दूंगा वो
जो पल में फिसल जाओगे. पिघल जाओगे. जो पल में पिघल जाओगे. Dancing.
All right. Okay, let me first take a couple of questions. This is Sherry. This is one of your top fans. And she says, thank you, Priya, and lots of love to Karan and Samiksha, and congratulations on Zindagi Ki Mehak 5th anniversary. So anything that you'd want to say to Sherry here, please, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Sherry. Thank you so much. Firstly, as I mentioned before also, that Sherry and everybody in the fan club, who came up with this idea of getting both of us for the chat. Thank you so much. Really appreciate. And all the DMs and all the messages which are pouring in on Instagram. Yeah, thank you. Really appreciate it.
All right. And this is by Zendaya, 13 Zendaya. She wants to know, when will they be bringing back Mehak?
Karan, do you want to talk about it?
But as almost season 2 was coming. Yeah, season 2 was coming on Z5.
It was actually
everything was everything was finalized. Yeah,
and it didn't happen.
See, lockdown also.
That
last year, lockdown also happened in March, and it was almost that January-February thing. I still remember. Jan-Feb thing, the thing was going around for the spin-off, on Z5 ke liye. But again, things,
It didn't work out.
Yeah,
Let's hope.
Let's hope. Yeah.